back to Easy Toddler Hairstyles. Today is a hairstyle that we did with Nova for Crazy Hair Day. We just did some cat ears and they're actually a lot easier than you might think. All of the products that we use in today's video, you can get on our website at easytoddlerhairstyles.com. We not only sell accessories and bows now, but we sell all the styling tools that you need in order to do hairstyles with your little ones, including Fluorosol bottles, spray gel, pintail combs, clips for holding the hair, elastics, and more. So be sure to check us out at easytoddlerhairstyles.com, and let's get started with the tutorial.
Let's go.
I'm starting with a center part from the front of her forehead to the back of the crown. From here, we're going to create a section on the side coming down several inches, and then I'm going to leave a little bit of hair right down by the ear. And I have my first section here. I'm just going to clip it off for a moment, and then we are going to part out the same area mirrored on the other side. Once you've got both those sections done, I'm just going to clip the back out of the way for now. I'm going to comb out one of these front sections, spray it down with some water, use a little bit of my spray gel, and I'm going to make a part right down the middle of this right-sided section. I'll add an elastic at the back of the first section and then also at the back of the second section. And then we are just going to come and repeat this on the left side. Spraying it down using spray gel. Everything that you see me using in today's video is available on our storefront at easytoddlerhairstyles.com. So I've got my third section and my fourth section. From here, we're going to create a 3-strand braid. I'm using spray gel and combing it through so that I don't have flyaways. And then I will create a 3-strand braid on the section that's by the center part line. So I will bring my braid down quite a little bit past that other section because I need a little bit of slack to make the ear. I'll loosely secure the bottom as a placeholder for now, and then I'll take the start of the braid and add it to the ponytail right next to it, creating an ear shape. So it's going to be rounded like a bubble, and I just eyeball about how big I want it, and then I'm going to attach it to the ponytail next to it, making sure that I keep slack where I want my ear. So I'm kind of holding it down with my one finger and then adding the elastic on the other side. At this point, it's going to look really rounded, so all you're going to do is bring the center part of the braid together and just pinch it. You're going to pinch it together until it looks pointed like an ear. Now, Nova has worn this style 2 full days, and it does stay pointed looking like an ear all day. You want to make sure that you have a good amount of hair to do the ear, not a ton of hair, but not too little hair. So this works really great as a half-up style. So again, I'm just pinching the top of the ear to make it point. It seems really simple, but it stays and it works. From here, we're just going to repeat this on the other side. Using my spray gel to keep the flyaways at bay and then creating another 3-strand braid. You're going to come down past the ponytail on the other side so that you have enough slack. And then we're going to eyeball it on both sides so that I can see. And you'll see that the ear looks rounded at first. If you pull too much hair through, you can always tug at it gently like you see me doing. To give it a little bit more slack where the ear is, and then I'm going to pinch it right at the top. And then I'm going to take all of the hair and secure it into a low ponytail. She loved this style. I mentioned she wore it twice and it stayed really well all day. It would be great for Crazy Hair Day or Halloween.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to visit our store, easytoddlerhairstyles.com. See you next time.
Bye!